So it says, what do you notice about the answers to the previous two questions? So the last two questions we just did were the number of 5 card hands in a standard deck of cards and the number of 47 card hands in a standard deck of cards. And what we saw when we computed them is they were the same, which is surprising. So then it asks us, can we make any conjectures, which is an educated guess, about why they are that way? So why is combinations of 52 choose 5 equal to combinations of 52 choose 47? Well, you probably noticed, right, that when we simplified the formula for the combinations, they turned out to have exactly the same factorials in them. And you might try and think about, well, why is that the case? Well, in the first one, when we did 52 and we picked a group of 5 from it, well, in the bottom we had 52 minus 5, and that was 47. And in the other one, when we were picking a group of size 47, we had 52 minus 47 in the bottom, which was 5. So you're probably noticing a relationship between all 3 of those numbers. And the reason that this is true, that you might have guessed, is this is because 5 and 47 together make up 52. Right? When you subtract either one of them from 52, you get the other one. Kind of a fun thing to think about with this one, because it sometimes seems really surprising. Like, it's not what we would expect, just looking at the problems on their face. But one of the interesting things to think about is, let's suppose that I deal you a hand that has 5 cards in it. Well, then what's left after I've done that is then what's left over is 47 cards, right? In the deck, there would be the 47 that aren't the ones that I gave you. So in a way, that deck that's left over is a hand of 47 cards. So they pair up with one another. For every hand of 5 cards, there's a hand of 47 cards, and vice versa, which is kind of a cool reason then to see why they are the same.